In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a note from your Notes app using your phone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. We're going to open Notes and we're going to select the note that we wish to share. Now at the top, you're going to see this little icon at the top right-hand corner, and this is going to let you share your note. And here you're going to have different options to send a copy of this note. You can use mail, you can use your messages, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Teams, LinkedIn, Google, Gmail, depending on what you want to do. So let's say that I want to share it through WhatsApp. And then right here, I'm going to select the person that I want to share it with, and I'm going to tap on next. Then I'm going to send my note, and it's that simple. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.